wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best doctor kits for kids. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Perfect for little ones who enjoy dress-up more than tons of gadgets. The Latokos Surgeon comes with a high-quality outfit and 7 tools. It's inexpensive for what's included, however the pants are only 24 inches long, and some of the accessories are flimsy. At number 9, the Joyin Role Play is equipped with a wide range of gadgets for playing doctor, nurse, or dentist. It includes dental tools for brushing and drilling teeth, tools that light up, and a name tag and clipboard. It also comes with a lab coat and the required batteries, but the storage container is quite small. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Kids Lane medical equipment includes a stethoscope that plays realistic recordings of the human heartbeat, along with a cell phone for little physicians who are on call. It sports vibrant green and blue colors and comes with a carrying case that snaps shut securely. However, the plastic looks cheap. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Doctor Kits for Kids, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Fisher-Price Patient Set comes with an apron that features cartoon-style human organs, along with a felt cold bug that can be attached to the apron to make an imaginary illness visible. This is a high-quality choice, but the included carrying case is not secure, and you get only 9 pieces. Moving up our list to number 6. If your kids are more interested in caring for furry friends than human patients, consider the Melissa & Doug Pet Vet. Junior caregivers can apply a range of treatments, including a paw cast, a healing ointment, and nutritious niblets. It includes a plush cat and dog and can help children develop empathy. The syringe has a movable plunger. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Batat Pretend offers a plethora of brightly colored equipment for little ones, including a safe syringe, a thermometer, and tweezers. It features a storage container for everything to fit into when playtime is over. It's made of BPA-free plastic and appropriate for ages 3 and up. There are no loose small parts. At number 4, the Nonza Stem features 40 medical-themed pieces to let kids be doctors, dentists, nurses, or patients. It also includes a headband and a tie-on bib for dressing up. It boasts a large rolling storage cart and dental implement too. All the accessories are brightly colored. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, with 48 child-sized replicas, including a blood pressure cuff and a dentist's drill, the McFant's Imagination offers a multitude of medical-related toys. It includes a sturdy carrying case, bandage-shaped stickers, and a functioning stethoscope. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Doctor Kits for Kids, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the InnoCheer Pretend is designed for kids aged 3 to 6, and everything fits neatly into a backpack that little health professionals can take with them on the go. The bag also opens up to simulate a medical office. All the parts are durable and some make sounds. It's reasonably priced. And taking the top spot on our list, the Melissa & Doug Get Well Set has followed the American Academy of Pediatricians' recommendation to create toys that are engaging for young kids. It includes 25 pieces. It encourages healthy eating and comes with an eye chart and reusable activity cards. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Doctor Kits for Kids, or simply click beneath this video.